In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a button to another page in Framer. This is a really useful skill when you're building multi-page websites or portfolios, and you want visitors to easily navigate between sections. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn any button into a working link that takes people to a different page in your Framer project. First, open your Framer project and head into the editor. Once you're there, look over your canvas and find the button you want to link. This could be something like a contact, about, or view project button. Go ahead and click to select that button. When it's selected, you'll see its properties appear on the right-hand side of the screen in the Properties panel. This panel is where you control how your button looks and behaves, so we'll be working here for the rest of the setup. Now, in the Properties panel, scroll down until you see the section related to the button settings. Here, you'll notice an icon that represents the button, and just under that, you should see an option labeled Link. This is the setting that tells Framer where to send users when they click your button. To set up the link, click on the field to the right of the link label. As soon as you do, a small pop-up will appear. This pop-up is where you'll configure what the button links to. You'll see a label like Link To, and when you click on the field there, a drop-down menu will usually appear. That drop-down is especially helpful because Framer automatically suggests the pages that already exist in your project. Instead of manually typing a URL, you can simply pick the internal page you want. For example, if you have a contact page or a projects page, you should see them listed. Click on the page you want this button to open. Once you've made your selection, the button is now connected to that page. To double check that everything is working, use the preview mode in Framer and click the button as if you were a visitor. It should take you straight to the page you selected, and that's all you need to do. By choosing your button, opening the Properties panel, finding the link option, and selecting the destination page, you've successfully connected a button to another page in Framer.